Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be forging our first railroad knife. Now, railroad knives aren't exactly the best quality. It's more of just a bounty or like a collection to put on your shelf. It is currently, let's see, around 6 p.m. and -6 outside. I'm wearing several layers, and even then I'm freezing. So let's get the forge nice and warm, and let's do this. It's so cold the lighter doesn't turn on. We're also going to be testing out how well our anvil does today. This is kind of loud. Sorry if it's a bit noisy.
It's so cold out here. My phone died. It froze to death. I got it back. Well, that's bacon. Just trying to warm my phone up. It's pretty cold out here. It dropped another few degrees. Feet are freezing, but I got a good pace going on the knife. Jesus, I can't even think. Oh, it's freezing. What's the temperature? God, okay. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. I can see the full moon up here. I'll show that in a second, but we did some good progress. And before you comment it, I know I put the blade on the wrong side, but I'm just gonna twist the handle more so it looks a little better. You can't even see anything, it's pitch black. Gonna attempt to twist the knife. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put it in my vise. So this is the end product that I have here. I still need to trim out some parts here and give it a nice bend. This is just gonna be like a wall hanger or something I sell to someone. It's not an actual high quality knife, especially since I forged it. It's got some minor bends. I definitely need to do some grinding and wire brush this, but we'll do that in the next episode. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.